All right, we are going to log into something new in CodeSpark. So we are going to go down below the puzzles that we usually go into. We usually go into Donut Detective. We go down below that to the Explore. And here we see Splash Clash Multiplayer Coding. So we're going to click on that. Now, the first time you click on this, it's automatically going to take you into the tutorial and ask you to pick a foo. So you pick your foo and hit the check mark, and it will take you right into the tutorial automatically. So the tutorial talks about how to battle, how to code your foos to do a water balloon battle. So when we get in there, there's six different things, six different tasks that you need to do on the tutorial. So you need to hit your opponent six different times with a water balloon. So it walks you through it to get to code your character. You click on him, and then for these ones, follow the direction. So I'll throw my balloon. On the next one, same thing. Click on my character, allows me to code it. This time I'm going to throw my balloon to the left. That's the second part of the tutorial. On the third part of the tutorial, I actually have to move my character to throw the water balloon. So once again, click on the character, code the character, and then hit the check mark for my character to follow that code. And that is the first three parts of the tutorial, and you'll need to do three more parts of the tutorial. After you beat all six of the levels in the tutorial, then you will need to battle an AI opponent, an artificial intelligent opponent. So you will need to defeat these two here with your characters. So just like before, click on your character to code them. So you'll need to defeat both of those characters. So this is defeating the first one, and then you will also need to defeat the second one. After you defeat your AI opponents, then you will be able to select World and Party. World will allow you to play against anybody in the entire world who is also on Splash Clash, and Party will allow you to play against people in your own class. So when you click on Party, you'll either be able to join classroom matchups that are down here, or you will be able to create a match that you can then share this code out with other students in your class, and they could add into your party battle. So good luck. Splash Clash is super awesome. It is a lot of fun. Enjoy.